everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to do some scales and chords practice. Let's get started. All right, so we are going to practice identifying some things. So we're going to practice identifying the scale, and then we're going to practice identifying some chords, okay, the triads and what scale degree they're built on. And then we're going to practice identifying the solfege. All right, so the first one is an example, and it's already done for us, so let's go through it. So this is a D major scale. We see two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, and it starts on D, okay? So that's our D major scale. And then we have some chords. So look, this is built on the D, right, which is the tonic. So this is the tonic triad. And then this is built on G, which in D is the fourth scale degree. So that is the four chord, or the subdominant. Then we have the chord built on A, which in D would be the fifth scale degree. So that's the five chord, or the dominant chord. And then we're going back to scale built on D, or the tonic triad. Okay. Then we have some solfege. So let's see what we've got. This is D. Okay, so D is do in the key of D. Then fa is the fourth scale degree, right? So we have D, G, all right, that is the fourth scale degree, so that's fa. And then the fifth scale degree is so, right? Do, re, mi, fa, so. And then all the way back to do. All right, should we try playing it? All right, so let's play our major scale first, D major, starting on D. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. All right, D major scale. Now let's look at these chords that we built, right? So this was built on the scale degree 1, so that's our tonic chord, right? And then we're going to go to our subdominant, the 4 chord, the G chord, right? And then we're going to go to A chord, which is going to be our dominant chord, and then back to D, or our tonic chord, our 1 chord. Okay, excellent. How about some of the solfege? Okay, so these are the same in the bass clef and the treble clef, right? So we started on do. It was do, fa, so, do. Can we sing it? Do, fa, so, do. Okay, good job. All right, so let's try our first one. Let's see, we are starting on G, and we have 1 sharp, F sharp. So what scale is this? This is our G major scale, okay? Then we have, so we're in the key of G, or G major scale. This note, or this chord is starting on G, so that's our 1 chord, scale degree 1, right? Or our tonic chord. And then this one starts on D. In G major, D is the 5th scale degree, right? So this is our 5 chord. All right, this one starts on C. In the key of G, or in this G major scale, C is the 4th scale degree. So this is our 4 chord, or the subdominant. And then back to G, and that's our 1 chord, or the tonic. Okay, good. Now how about some solfege? These are G's. These are both D's. Aha! It looks different, but it's the same solfege, right? Same D's. We have C's again, and then G's. So we have G, which is scale degree 1, is always do. Okay. And then we have D, which in G major would be so. And then we have C, which is fa. And then back to G, or do. All right, let's try playing all of these. All right, we know our G major scale. That's no problem. Here we go. We have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay, that's our G major scale. All right, let's look at these chords. So we'll go to the 1 chord, the G chord. That's our tonic triad, okay? Then we go to the D, right, which is the 5th scale degree, or the dominant chord, right? And then we'll go to the 4 chord, which is based on scale degree 4. Okay, that's our subdominant. And then we'll go back to G, tonic. Okay, that's our tonic triad, yay! How about some solfege? All right, so the lines move differently, but they're the same solfege. So let's try singing them both. Let's do the right hand first, but we'll play them both at the same time. All right, let's try it. So it starts on do, right? Do, sol, fa, do. Okay, that's what the right hand sounds like. Here's what the left hand sounds like. We're still gonna play both hands, but we're gonna sing the left hand. Here we go. Do, sol, fa, do. All right, excellent. So the solfege looks the same, but it sounds a little bit different. But technically they're the same notes. Okay, just a little bit displaced octave-wise. All right, let's do the next one. Next line. Get our pencil out. So this starts on F, right? This scale starts on F, and we have a B flat. So we know this is our F major scale. All right, then this chord starts on C. Well, that's not our tonic. That is our 5 chord in F, right? Because it starts on C. It's our dominant. Then we have F. That's our, based on the 1 on the first scale degree. So that's our 1 chord, the tonic. Then we have based on B flat. Okay, what's B flat in the key of F? That's 4. Okay, so that's a subdominant. Then we have F, right? So this is based on F. Back to our tonic chord. Okay, tonic triad. Then we have our solfege. So C in F is 5 or so. And then we have F, which is always do. And then what is B flat? Is fa, right? And then back to F or do. Let's see if it matches up down here. So this is so, and then do, fa, do. Excellent. All right. Oh, and for consistency, I'm going to go ahead and write in the B flats here. It's not written in the key signature. There's a B flat here. Okay. When there's B flat here. And a B flat. Oops. Oh no. This is why I like to have my handy dandy eraser. There we go. And then a B flat here. All right. Did we miss any? Looking good. All right. So let's give B or F major a try here. We have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Okay. So let's look at our 5 chords starting on C. All right, that's our dominant. Then we're going to go to our 1 chord, F, right? Okay. Then we're going to go to the B flat chord here, which is our subdominant, right? And then back to our 1 chord, F. Very good. That's our tonic triad. Okay, let's look at our solfege. Can we play it? Let's see. Figure out your fingerings that you want to do here. Okay. Can we try singing the solfege in the right hand? I know they're the same solfege, but it sounds a little bit different, right? So let's try it. So, do, fa, do. Okay. Now let's try singing the left hand version, but it might get a little bit low. That's okay. Ready? So, do, fa, do. Okay, cool. Okay, next, this scale starts on an E, and we have 4 sharps, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and D sharp. So we know this is E major. Okay, good. So this chord here is based on scale degree, what scale degree? A, right? So scale degree 4. All right, so that's our subdominant. This is based on scale degree 1, E, right? So this is our 1 chord, or the tonic triad. Then we have this based on B. So we have, this is our 5 chord, right? Or our dominant. And then this one is based on E. So we are back to 1, our tonic. Okay. Then we have some solfege, okay? So in E, we decided that A is going to be the 4, right? Or fa. E is do. B is going to be fa, or 5, or so. And then back to E, which is do. All right, let's see if we can play it. So starting with our E major scale, starting on E, don't forget all your sharps. You have E, F sharp, G sharp, A, Now we're going to play our 4 chord here based on the A, or the 4 scale degree. All right, that's our subdominant. Then we're going to play 1. All right, that's our tonic. And then we're going to play the 5 chord, right? That's our dominant. And now we're going to go back to 1. Okay, excellent. That's our tonic. Okay, now let's take a look at these guys here, our little solfege. Okay, so we have fa, do, so, I jump down to do. Okay, can we try it? Both hands? So, okay, can we sing it? Let's sing the right hand version first, and then we'll sing the left hand version. Here we go. Fa, do, so, do. Okay, that wasn't hard. Let's try the other one. Here we go. We're going to do the left hand version now. Fa, do, so, do. All right, good job, everyone. All right, now we're going to do some minor mode. All right, so our first one is an example. So they helped us out this first time. This is a scale that starts on A. It has no sharps or flats, so we know it's A minor. This is the A minor scale. Then we have this chord built on A, which is scale degree 1, so that's our tonic triad. And then we have this one built on E, and that's 5 in A minor, right? So that's our dominant. Then this one is built on D, which is 4 in A minor, so this is our subdominant. And then built on A again, back to our tonic. Okay. Then we have A, which is do. E is 5, so that's so, fa, and then back to do. Shall we try playing it? Ooh, starting down here, right? No sharps or flats. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. All right, that is an A minor chord or scale. Let's take a look at our chords here. Okay, so we have the 1 chord. Oh, that's interesting. And then the 5 chord, the dominant. Okay, 4 chord, go to the subdominant. All right, and back to A minor. Okay, those sound different. Those are cool. Now let's do our solfege. Okay. Moves the same way, so basically they're mirrored. They look the same, right? So let's try singing it. We have do, so, fa, do. All right, we did a good job. Let's keep going. So this scale starts on an E, and we have an F sharp, 1 sharp F sharp. So this is E minor. Okay, and then this is based on E, scale degree 1. So this is our 1 chord, or our tonic. Then we have this based on A, which in E would be the 4. So that is the subdominant. B is 5 in E minor, right? Okay, so that's our dominant, and then back to E, which is 1. Okay, now let's see if these all line up. So E is do, that's always in scale degree 1, do, the tonic. Then we have A, which is fa, and we have A up here, so same. So pretty much there's a pattern. Oh, and they even sound the same here. Then we have so, which is right above fa, and back to do. All right, let's give this one a whirl. So playing E minor, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, E minor. Okay, let's go to our E minor scale, or E minor triad, the tonic triad. Okay, then we're going to go to our subdominant 4. Okay, and then to the 5 chord, our dominant here. Okay, and back down to E, or our tonic. Okay, that's cool. 1, 4, 5, 1. I like it. Then we have some solfege. Let's see. Sounds the same in both hands. So let's sing it. Do, fa, so, do. Okay, we're getting so good at this. Let's keep going. All right, here we have a scale starting on D, And we have a B flat. So what scale is this? This is our D minor scale. Okay, so we're in the key of D minor here. So D is our 1, right, or our tonic triad. Then we have G in D minor, that is going to be 4, scale degree 4. So this is our subdominant. And we have A, that's our 5, or our dominant. And then back to D, or 1, our tonic again. Okay, then we have some solfege. We have D, which is do in this key, right? And then we decided that G is going to be the 4, or scale degree 4, or fa. Then right above that is so, and then back up to D, or do. All right, so let's give this one a whirl, people. Remember, 1 flat, B flat, starting on D. D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. That's our D minor scale, okay? Let's take a look at our chords. Where's our 1 chord here? That's the D chord. Okay, then we're going to go up to the subdominant, the 4. Okay, good. Then we're going to find our dominant chord, the 5. And then back up to our tonic again. Okay, that was 1, 4, 5, 1. Excellent. How about, can we play the solfege here? Okay, sounds the same in both hands. Do, fa, sol, do. Okay, I think we're pros now. All right, just one more on this page. So what do we have? Starting on B, and we have 2 sharps, C sharp and F sharp. So this is the key of, are you guessing it while I'm writing it in? I think we know it already. B minor. Now we have some chords. This is based on B, so we know that B is our scale degree 1, or our tonic. Okay, now what is F sharp? That's our 5, right? B, D, F, F sharp, and that's our dominant. Then right below that is our E chord. That's the subdominant, based on scale degree 4. And then we go back to B, which is 1. So we've been playing 1, 4, 5, 1, but we're going to go 1, 5, 4, 1. Interesting. All right, so B is do, because it's B minor scale. Then we go up to F sharp, which we know is so. And then right below that is fa. And B is do. And see, the shape is different. Same notes, but it's going to sound a little different when we sing it. So let's try playing it. So B minor is the scale. You start with your forefinger in your left hand. Okay, so forefinger here, and then you cross over your forefinger as well. So it's B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. All right, that's our B minor scale. Now can we play our chords? We have our 1 chord first, right? All right, that's our tonic. Then we're going to go to our dominant, right? That's our 5. Don't forget your F sharp. Then we're going to play the subdominant chord, or the 4 chord, right? Okay. Then where do we go? Back to our 1. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. So we did 1, 5, 4, 1 there. And now we're going to play some solfege. Okay, so what do I have here? Okay, it sounds a little bit different. Same notes, but a little bit different sounding. All right, so let's sing the right hand first. So we have do, sol, fa, do. All right, now let's sing the left hand. Do, sol, fa, do. All right, good job, everyone. So today we did some scales and chords practice. This kind of practice is so good for your ears, your fingers, and for your brain. So keep practicing all your songs and your scales. Sing while you play and memorize everything. Prestissima out.